Name of seasons. Summer. It is the hottest season of the year. Winter. It is the coldest season of the year. Spring. It is the most beautiful and attractive season. Gives nice weather to flowers to bloom. Rainy season. Everyone likes the rainy season as it gives too much relief from the hot heat of the sun. Autumn. Autumn season is famous for its harvest time, stunning leaves, cooling temperature and darkening night. And the leaves are changing colors. The air is crisp and the weather is perfect for outdoor activities.